guys, my name is Ella Gates.
I'm Ben Smith, and this is a tour of DHSTVMedia.
Let's go! Right, so right now we are heading into our main studio space, but let's get started with the individual studios. Our first studio is called Studio B. This is where all of our club meetings will happen, which are on Thursdays during PACE. If you have passion for film after high school, I highly recommend joining. But this is also where the students for Mr. Parani's classes will sit and chat and about different things, work on assignments, and many different stuff. Also, our episodes of Stand by me and Landon Almeida on camera right now will film and record our podcast. Yeah, it's a really nice space over here, but let's head over here. So over here is our green screen space. A lot of the things for stop motion and other projects like the weather for DHNN, if you guys have seen those clips, those are all filmed right here. Basically, the person would just stand right here and the two screens on the side so they can see and check how they look. And then these are also our individual cameras. Right there is our newest crane, which we use for like DHNN and other films. Also cameras like 1, 3, camera 2, and also that other crane over there we use for DHNN as well. Each of these cameras, I would say, are an estimate around $25,000 each, which is quite a lot of money, but they definitely work with the quality. Over here is Studio A. So Studio A is where most of our talk shows are filmed. If you guys have seen DHS Sports Center, Tower 204, or Coffee Break, they are filmed right in this space. The host would sit in this chair and the guest would sit over here. Yeah, as you can see, the DHS Sports Center graphics are up right now. But yeah. Also, a couple of segments might be filmed here as well. Students will work on like different movies and different projects, and they might film in different clips in this space. All right, now moving on from that is one of my personal favorites, our DHNN news desk. This is where all of the magic happens for all of our DHNN episodes that come out every Friday. So make sure you guys look at our YouTube channel for that. But the two hosts would sit right here and then also look at that teleprompter to read off of our scripts. This way we know what to say when we're on camera. We have some TVs up here in the front too. These are controlled in the control room, which we will talk about in just a minute. But all of these are controlled by the control room. So how about we head in there where Ben will give you a tour. Ben?
Hello everybody, and this is our tour of our control room here at DHSTVMedia Studios. Just as you walk in, you will see a little bit of our trophy case. This is where we headline all of our awards, the amount of appreciations, and some of the Lego sets. My favorite is this one and the camera as well, down low. Got a little bit of some fake Oscars there from our superlatives last year during our banquet. Alright, we are here in the DHSTVMedia Studio control room. Right here, as you can see, this is our teleprompter where we do all of our teleprompting work. We can type work down and then we can project it onto the teleprompter so hosts can see. Right over here is the main screen video wall, just for the logos, like for example, DHS Sports Center. I host the show here at Dartmouth High School about sports, where I interview sports athletes and coaches, as long as our athletic director here at Dartmouth High. There's also Coffee Break and Tabby 204. Right over here is our video wall display, which we will see right now over there. It is green at the moment. This is our DHNN logo set, and that's also connected to this TV, that TV on the new set, and the big 75-inch TV. Right over here is our video wall for our new set called with the DHNN video wall ring, which I like to call it, for example. Right over here is our spotlight, so I can black it out like that. It blacks out some of the lights over here. You can see on there, blacked out some of the lights. Another set of lights as long right here. Over here is pretty much where our microphone setups is. This is where our inputs for all of our microphones, and which it's our audio tower, is like we like call it. It's all this as well. Over here is our audio controls, where we can change the audio levels if they're too high, if they're too low. We control it with just a touch of a button. It's new state of the art that we just purchased back in 2022, and this is excellent as we continue our renovation process here at DHSTVMedia. Along with this is our full 5 TV screens over here. As you can see, this is one has a teleprompter, one has all the cameras, one has pretty much every single one of those TVs that you see. This one is just to direct, and this one right here is just the TV screen, the programming, as you can see right now. Right over here is our recording and director's chair. This is where the director can speak. The microphone, this is like an IFB, and like students and the hosts can hear us from over there. Along with that is our directing set, so we can change the cameras. So like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As we move along over here, this is some of the other. This is also a classroom in the control room too, so some of the students will be working on some editing as well, because we have a lot of computers here. We have Aaron right here working on some editing work. Mr. Ferrati, he is our teacher here at DHSTVMedia. He's doing some work right now. And Mason Langlois is another student intern and also our talent director here at DHSTVMedia as well. He's working on some work for DHNN that's coming out soon, so stay tuned. That is the tour for today. I want to thank you all for watching, and click the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. Bye.
Bye.